Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to log into National Commercial Bank mobile banking app. So first of all, simply launch up an NCB mobile banking application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here National Commercial Bank mobile banking application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to log into your account, what you have to do is enter your username and password. So simply tap on the field of username. Now what you have to do is enter your username over here. Now after entering the username, what you have to do is enter your password. So simply tap on the field of password. Now simply enter your password over here. If you've forgotten your password, you can tap on the option forget password and you'll be able to reset it. Otherwise, simply enter your password over here. Now after you enter your username and password, what you have to do is tap on the login option that you can see on the screen. After that, you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log into National Commercial Bank mobile banking app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.